It's February, Heart Health Month. It's a really good time to get to know your numbers or just refamiliarize yourself with your heart health numbers. Let's go ahead and talk about blood pressure. You deserve to be happy and healthy. Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. This channel is for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. So if you're interested in doing just that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and watch all the way to the end for bonus tips. All right, y'all, I'm out here in the Dallas ice storm just to demonstrate for you guys what blood pressure is. My tires are at optimal pressure, so you're not going to see too much of a difference in readings here. But let's just pretend that this 0 is the actual current pressure of my tire. Okay, so that is the same as the diastolic pressure, which means that your heart is at rest. It's not pumping any blood. Now, let's look at the systolic pressure. Okay, so let's pretend that the heart is pumping blood right now and the reading goes up. So the higher number, the top number, is the systolic pressure, and that is the pressure when your heart is pumping blood. Just to reiterate, our blood pressure is comprised of two numbers. We have a top number and the bottom number. What you want to think about and remember is that the number down below the fraction line, it starts with a D for denominator, and diastolic pressure. So diastolic represents your heart at rest. So again, this is not zero pressure, right? There has to be some pressure for the blood to exist in those blood vessels. And then the top number is called the systolic pressure, and that represents when your heart is pumping blood. That's the amount of pressure it takes to get all the nutrients, all the oxygen, all the toxins in and out of your body. Okay, so that's 120. So this is a guideline from the American Heart Association, 120/80 for normal blood pressure. Normal blood pressure could be actually different for other folks. So that depends on what your physician has to inform you. So I definitely encourage y'all to talk to your physician to find out what your normal is for blood pressure. I hope y'all appreciate the little funny things I do to get the point across to help y'all learn more about your blood pressure. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below or contact me. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. See y'all next week. And remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.